everybody? What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Kicks for Fresh. Now, if you're new here, you could call me K Fresh. And in today's video, I'm gonna be giving you all 4 easy fits to rock with the women's Air Jordan 1 Starfish. But before we get off into the logistics of this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, because on this channel we do all things sneakers and fresh fits. So if that's something you're interested in, let's go ahead and get into this content. Now, it is no surprise that this is one of the most talked about Air Jordan 1s of the year. Because it is a women's exclusive, we aren't getting extended sizes, but I'm good because I'm a 10 women's, 8.5 men. So I went ahead and scooped up my pair from Go. So if you aren't aware, this bag was actually said to be inspired by the Birkin bag, which is made by Hermes. From the subtle details like the extra stitching around the toe box to the additional hang tag that does have the Jumpman as well as a basketball on the other side, this sneaker is just something special. It obviously has an aged look that I think goes very well with the fall weather. And y'all, it is just giving quality all around. So now that I've Google Gaga'd over this shoe, let's go ahead and show you all the 4 options that I've put together for you all. I do have on a Levi's jean jacket that has the Sherpa around the collar. I went ahead and paired it with a Levi's sweatshirt. It is long sleeve. And I topped it off with some joggers that are camo print. Now these I got from Champs. I probably didn't pay no more than $10 for these pants. Now, trailing right into outfit number 2, I went ahead and played around with some of the more subtle colors in the shoe, which happens to be that off-white canary yellow looking color. So I threw on a corduroy Levi's shirt. I'm not really sure if this is supposed to be a jacket or a shirt. When I bought it, it was $7 at the Levi's outlet. And then I went ahead and paired it with some olive green joggers that I got from Walmart for $9.98. Now we're gonna get spicy with outfit number 3. So as you can see, I have the Columbia camo pullover. Now this is a steal and deal I got from the Columbia outlet. I paid $14.98 before tax. I do have on a white tee underneath it just to break up the pattern a little bit as we go down in the bottoms, which is the Fear of Gods in the wood colorway. But truthfully and honestly, I just really couldn't find a lot of orange in my closet, so I went ahead and just found some complementary colors. And last but not least, we have outfit number 4. Now, if you have never been to my channel, you probably don't understand or know my love for Fear of God essentials. And so as you can see from the fall winter collection, which was the most recent collection that has dropped, I did cop a wood colorway sweatsuit. If you want to keep it solid, you could probably not wear the white t-shirt that I have on, but as you can see, I've also tucked it in so you can just see the solid from top to bottom. So now that you've seen all 4 outfits, let me know down in the comment section below which is your favorite. Let me know if it gave you some outfit inspiration. I do apologize, I just don't have any orange. I don't have no pumpkin spice latte orange. So that is all I have for you all today. If you like this content and you want to see more and you feel like K Fresh just gave you what you needed and she understood the assignment, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and comment down below. Engage with me. I do engage back. I'm on my way to 4K. But until next time, I am your girl K Fresh, and you already know what to do. Stay fresh.